Hi, it's Lacey from Graham Auto Repair, and it's time for our customer appreciation drawing for week 3 for the week of May 18th through 22nd. And today we have a couple of special guests, my daughters. This is my daughter Cheyenne, and this is my daughter Evangelina, and they are going to do the drawing for us. Okay, just in case you don't know what this is about, let me tell you. We are holding a weekly drawing during the month of May to support local restaurants in Graham. And the way we are doing that is we have purchased 4 $50 gift cards to different restaurants in Graham that we are giving away to 4 different customers for the month of May. So this week's winner wins a $50 gift card to Puerto Vallarta here in Graham. Check out their website to see more information about their restaurant. Are you girls ready to do find the winner? Yeah. Okay, so mix them up really good. I already mixed them, but you can mix them some more. And then Cheyenne, hold it up over Eva's head so she can't look in.
Oh, she can read.
Hold on, I can't see her. Okay, draw out a winner. Can give it to Sissy. What's it say?
Victoria Potter.
You want to take the winner to Brian so he can call them?
Okay. Here's the winner.
Victoria Potter.
You gonna call her?
Yes, I am. Right now. Good afternoon, Victoria. Brian at Graham Auto Repair. I was just calling to let you know that you are this week's gift card winner. Give me a call back at 253-847-2221. And congratulations. Thank you. Bye. Good afternoon, Ms. Brian. Hi, Victoria. Yeah, so you want a $50 gift card to Puerto Vallarta. So you can just come down and we can give you the gift card, and we'll, if you don't mind, we'll take a picture. Not a problem. Thank you.
Nikki won our Puerto Vallarta, our third week of May drawing, their $50 gift card. And they are doing carry out, and I hope that you enjoy food and everything that you want to get with that.
One more week of drawings.
Well, thanks girls for helping us out with our drawing this week. And if anyone would like some more information about how you can win, check out our Facebook page for more information. Thanks for watching.
Bye.